Okay, so happy Sunday to everyone. So we are going to do what? Our hair maintenance, and we are going to moisturize our locks using Lock Sanity. How is everyone doing on this beautiful Sunday? Me and Coco, we are doing great. Great. We just came back from the park, y'all. Well, it's hot today. It is hot. I think the highest is going to get like in the 90s today. In the 90s, yeah. So, but anyway, we back in this ice cold air conditioned. Praise the Most High for that. So yeah. Now I use this Lock Sanity at least 3 times a week, I would say. Y'all know I do a hair care every other day. My last maintenance was day before yesterday, and we did the pudding. Olive oil. And when y'all spray your hair, our hair is a plant. So you have to keep it fed. You don't want it to be dry. You want your hair to stay nourished. You don't want your hair to get dehydrated, and you don't want to be dehydrated. That's when I got to go out and get those bottled waters out of the truck of the car. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to order some more, y'all. See, I got just a little bit left, y'all. When I bought the Lock Sanity, I was having problems opening the cap. And so I was like, well, let me go to Target and get a spray bottle to put it in. Because I was having a time trying to open the bottle. So, yeah. I love this, and my hair loves it too. And when y'all are moisturizing your hair, make sure you go from the roots all the way down to the end of your hair. So I'm gonna wrap my hair up. I wore my white headband today. I wore a white headband. Oh, I'm loving my locks. So we'll be 10 years locked. This year, 10 years locked. Oh, I am so proud. Y'all, I will not change my locks for nothing in the world. I love my locks. I love all natural hair. I will never, ever put a perm. I never liked perms anyway. My mom was just putting chemicals in my hair, but I never liked perms to begin with. I never liked them. And guess what? They didn't like me neither. Good. That feeling is damn mutual. And it smells good too. Now, when you have locks, sometimes you may get, your locks may start joining. I don't know how that happened, but it's still healthy locks. So don't freak out when you see a lock connecting. Let me get back here some more. So I'll be ordering some more of this week. This week, of course, off of Amazon. So I do this 3 times a week, and in between moisturizing with Loxanity, I also moisturize it with olive oil. So I don't put them all on my hair at the same time. I do it interchangeably. And make sure you massage it into your scalp real good. Give your scalp a nice massage. So y'all, I'm going to be joining Pilates. Well, I already joined. Yeah, I already joined. So I'll be taking I already did the intro class, and I loved it. And so we're going to be incorporating Pilates with my regular workouts at the gym. So I am excited about that. I wanted to do some reinventing, do something different, change yourself, upgrade. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so y'all, this is how I do it. I twist it. Y'all see my luxury? Well, my hair is loving me. Your hair is a plant. Your body is a plant. You gotta keep yourself hydrated, making sure you're eating healthy and exercise. Y'all, did I tell y'all I went to the gym today? Well, yes, I did. I went to the gym. Start off my week. Y'all know what? I'm gonna have to get some more of these head wraps because this one is about been stretched. I think I have stretched them all. Yeah, we're gonna be 9 years old. I am so proud. I love my hair. And so I got these hair accessories, the headbands, and I love them because I can wear my hair out more. I can wear my hair out without it making me hot, because it's spring and then summer's coming, y'all. And so the headband, it keeps my hair back from my face and off my shoulders, so I won't get so hot. And these headbands come in this one in 4 colors. Now you could go on Amazon and choose, what pack you want. I got a pack of 4. Where's the other one at? This one. Okay, this other one. And let's see. Okay, so we have the gray one. The gray one. I wore the gray one a few days ago. And I just had this white one on, y'all. I love them. And they're good, nice and wide. They're nice and wide. Let me show you how you can stretch them. See? So, yes, I'm loving it. I love these. So I'm going to order some more, because there's some more colors I want, like pink, blue, green, things like that to match all of my outfits, Even though people say everything black go with everything, no, I want different colors. Okay. Now this brown looks so good on my skin. It does. It looks very good. This is my favorite one. That is my favorite one. and put on my little lip, because I have some lipsticks. I always wear, it has to be like a plum and a brown, deep colors. It's better for my complexion. Yeah, so, and this is my cosmetic bag. So I keep all of my hair accessories in here. So I've already showed y'all the 4 headbands. I guess I'll go ahead and show you all. Let's see how many of these head wraps we got. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we got 4 of them. And then we have our satin caps. Let me get some more of these. And these satin caps are nice. You could dress them up and you could dress them down. And in my culture, we wear headpieces. I'm Hebrew. Yes. So, okay, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Y'all please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And follow me on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks. Follow me on IG, Threads, and Facebook at ja.cquelyn4. And here on YouTube, I'm Jacqueline Dorinda Chick. Shop my Amazon storefront at https://amazon.com/shop/Jacqueline Dorinda Chick. And shop our online store, the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box and in the comment section, y'all. So me and Coco, we are in for the day. We are in for the day. I'm gonna have to check my car because cool air is coming, but it could be the fact that it's real hot outside because it's supposed to get like 92. But I'm gonna check all my fluids in the morning. Yeah, my granddaddy taught me how to do what I'm saying. So I'm gonna check my oil, my Freon. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, y'all. Happy Sunday, fun day.